We're gonna play over one of those stories.
Yeah.
Just pick a save slot.
Wait, I didn't pick a character.
No, it's okay. You look like Edith.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Can someone read the story?
No. My throat hurts.
I don't understand.
Just after tea time! King Onion was like, oh shit! The demons!
The demons
Nobel
are coming!
Prize! The Necronomicon! Drop this. Only he can do it.
How do I play?
You have to give him the things.
Alright, I have lettuce.
Okay, thank you for the chopped lettuce, my friend.
Tomato.
I'm gonna put this on a plate, JKL, and then I'm gonna serve it, and then Baba Booey. This guy just
Isn't
wants
this game made for like 4 people?
No, it works fine with just this. I do need lettuce. I need lettuce. I need lettuce. Cut this.
I'm Here, take that shit.
Pickle.
How do you find out what
It's a
we
fucking
need?
cucumber, it's not a pickle.
This
Pickle.
guy
Stop
only wants
flooding!
all the back.
Why is Jake Ella fucking walrus?
He said it looked like Edis.
It does look like Edis. It does look like Edis. Looks like Edis.
I'm torn.
Pick one.
You know, it took me like 5 hours to get past the Persona 5 name string because I couldn't
Yeah, I
pick
could
a
tell.
I'm sure it did.
No, I am the dog.
She's gonna be the dog if you say, no, I'm the dog, like she's a hater. Chicken, please.
This is fine.
All of this just to go back to the
All of
fucking
that just
walrus.
to go back to the same fucking one.
JK, what are you fucking doing?
Get out of the way!
Sorry!
JK, you're on dishwashing duty, okay?
Is that
Yeah.
you made me the bus boy?
Yes, we have, because you deserve it. Okay, wait. Okay, back.
I need pickles and a plate.
Pickle.
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 Here's my pie.
Here,
Have a pickle. It's been a while.
thank you. It's been a while.
Pickle.
Have a pickle.
Absolutely obliterated. Fucking move. Get the fuck out of here. I've served every fucking order. Just do your fucking best, okay?
That's a bad
That's all I
manager
fucking
thing to
asked for.
say. You need to give
That's the
specific
best.
tasks.
Do your best fucking thing you can do. Okay? Okay. Here we go. Here we go, buddy. Give me the fucking.
He's not even speaking English anymore.
Okay.
Oh. Oh no.
I hate it here.
But look, I just unlocked that one. Oh, and him.
Who cares?
nice.
Just fucking pick one.
Is that the one you want, Chiquille?
I don't know. I don't like its eyebrows.
Oh my god.
Please, God.
I'm losing my goddamn mind.
Okay, next one. Whee!
Ah!
Okay.
Oh, I just threw the lettuce in the trash.
Great job. Finish off these orders and then go fuck yourself.
Chef, I'm stressed.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Oh my lord.
Oh, I got a new chef.
No.
Oh no!
Did you just
dude,
fall
I
off the
can't.
map? We did it.
You just threw rice into the abyss.
Okay, that's fine.
Stop!
What?
I tried to get it and I fell off.
No!
That was your own fault.
Oh, hey.
No, it was your fault.
Oh, motherfucker.
You threw the rice into the abyss.
Okay, you're on that side.
I was trying to put it on the plate so I could serve it, and you're like, no, rice.
Nice time.
I'm just trying to help.
Yeah, and you're failing. Mush.
You can take a 10-minute break. Clear your head.
I need to go take the trash out.
I bet we could do this without him. Play around.
Yeah.
Let's go. How bad can it be?
So I'm gonna be on cutting duty and placing. Yeah, we need him. Yeah, we could do this without him. Immediately falls off the map. You're on meat cutting. Go cut meat.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef. Chef, you're hurting me.
Oh,
Aiden,
yeah.
do something. Bada bing, bada boom.
Workplace accidents. Chicken burrito coming right up, falls into the abyss.
Chef, I'm
Get that frying pan. Serve the order, serve the order. Show must go on. The chicken, the chicken, the chicken, the chicken. I got it. Get the chicken! What are you doing? What are you doing, chef? We did it. We did great. We did it great.
How did I end up with this?
Oh no. Oh no, that's why I told you guys to stay down there. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me right now?
This is a very hostile work environment.
He's in my way.
We're gonna need to fire him.
He's cutting my cheese.
You are actively trying to make the 2
I'm
of
not-
us fail by not explaining shit.
I'm pretty sure anyone knows how to make a pizza. Dough, tomato sauce, cheese, oven, boom. Go put that over there, monkey. Excuse me, sorry. And I can't. I was tolerating that. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. Okay. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it.
That falls on you as her senior for not explaining things
What do you
properly.
mean?
Senior.
We did it. Fuck up.
Can I change my chef?
No! No, you cannot!
We can do this next time.
No, we're not playing this game again. Alright, bye everybody.
Bye, chef.
Bye, chef. We did it.